महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
Hello students, today we are going to discuss some fundamentals about isomerism which are helpful for your exam and to understand the concepts. Isomerism. Isomers. Molecules having identical molecular formula but different constitutional arrangement or configurational arrangement are called isomers. Different constitutional arrangement and different configurational arrangement. Constitutional arrangement means IUPAC name changes. Configurational arrangement means IUPAC name does not change. Okay. Isomerism may be first constitutional or structural. Isomerism may be constitutional or structural. Here IUPAC name changes. IUPAC name changes. For example, but 1Ne, but 2Ne are the examples of structural isomers. Okay. Second, stereo or configurational isomerism. Here IUPAC name does not change, but rotational prefixes like cis, trans, D, L, etc. are used. IUPAC name does not change, but rotational prefixes like cis, trans, dextro, L-firm, etc. are used. Example: C double bond C, CH3, CH3, H, H. It is but 2En. C double bond C, CH3, CH3, H, H. It is also but 2Ne. IUPAC name does not change, but it is cis but 2Ne. It is trans but 2Ne. Cis means togetherness, methyl group at identical side. Trans means across, methyl and methyl group present across C double bond C. Okay. IUPAC name does not change, but some rotational prefixes like cis, trans, D firm, L firm, etc. are used, and they are the examples of configurational or stereo isomers. Classification of structural isomerism. Classification of structural isomerism. A, chain or skeletal. B, ring chain. C, position. D, metamerism. E, functional or linkage isomerism. F, tautomerism. These are the classification of structural isomerism. Chain or skeletal, ring chain, position, metamerism, functional or linkage, tautomerism. Okay. First one, chain isomerism. Chain isomerism. The kind of structural isomerism which is due to the modification of carbon chain. Modification of carbon chain means N normal means straight chain, iso, tertiary, neo, etc. the kind of structural isomerism which is due to the modification of carbon chain and normal straight chain, iso, tertiary, neo, etc. is called chain isomerism. Chain isomerism. For example 1, C4H10 has 2 chain isomers, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. It is N-butane. N-butane means normal butane or straight chain butane. CH3, CH, CH3, CH3. It is isobutane because it is the iso group. It is the iso group. From iso group, it is isobutane. Example 2, C5H12 has 3 chain isomers. Okay, CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. It is N-pentane, normal pentane or straight chain pentane. Okay, another one, CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. It is isobentane due to the presence of iso group. Another one is neopentane. Another one is neopentane. Neopentane. Okay. C4H10 has 2 chain isomers. C5H12 has 3 chain isomers. Example 3, C3H7 bond. It is the propyl group. It has 2 chain isomers, CH3, CH2, CH2 bond. It is N-propyl, CH3, CH, CH3 bond. It is isopropyl. Okay, N-propyl and isopropyl. Example 4, C4H9 bond. It has 4 chain isomers. Okay, first one, N-butyl, straight chain butyl. Second one, secondary butyl. Secondary butyl because it has a secondary carbon. Another one, isobutyl. Iso group is there, CH3, CH, CH3. It is isobutyl. Iso group, 4 carbon, isobutyl. Another one, tertiary butyl. C4H9 bond has 4 chain isomers, N-butyl, secondary butyl, isobutyl and tertiary butyl. Then ring chain isomerism. Ring chain isomerism. Example: ring is cyclopropane, chain is propene. Chain is propene. It is cyclopropane. It means the kind of structural isomerism which is explained by using ring compound and chain compounds are called ring chain isomers, and the isomerism is called ring chain isomerism. Then another one, position isomerism. Position isomerism. Position isomerism. Structural isomerism due to the change in the position of locant or functional group. Structural isomerism due to the change in the position of locant or functional group. Example: but 1-ene, but 2-ene. Example: ortho, meta, para isomers. Ortho means on benzene nucleus 1,2 position, it is orthoxylene, because dimethyl benzene is called xylene. At 1,2 position it is orthoxylene. It is metaxylene, 1,3 position, it is paraxylene, 1,4 position, paraxylene. Position isomerism. Structural isomerism due to the change in the position of locant or functional group. Metamerism. The kind of structural isomerism which is explained in non-terminal functional group. The kind of isomerism which is explained in non-terminal functional group organic compounds like ether, thioether, thioether, 2-degree amine, secondary amine, etc. The kind of structural isomerism which is explained in non-terminal functional group organic compounds like ether, thioether, secondary amine, etc. Here, functional group is constant. Here, functional group is constant, but there is modification in alkyl groups attached to them. Focus point non-terminal functional group. Focus point functional group is constant. Another focus point modification of alkyl groups attached to them called metamerism. For example, C4H10O has 3 metameric ethers. Has 3 metameric ethers. Ether means functional group O, one alkyl group methyl, then another alkyl group N-propyl. It is methyl N-propyl ether. Modification of N-propyl isopropyl, because isopropyl is an isomer of N-propyl. Another modification C2H5O C2H5 diethyl ether. 1 carbon, 3 carbon, 3 carbon N-propyl, 3 carbon isopropyl, 2 carbon, 2 carbon for 4 carbon atoms in the ether. Okay. Another example. Pentane 2 on CH3 CO CH2 CH2 CH3 and pentane 3 on. It is also a non-terminal functional group ketone. It is C2H5 CO C2H5. Pentane 2 on and pentane 3 on are also metamers. Interesting point. Pentane 2 on and pentane 3 ons are metamers. Correct. More appropriate. They are also position isomers. This is also correct. When position isomers and metamers are given, then both are correct. When metamer and position isomers are given and single, we have to select the single answer, then metamerism is more appropriate, because metamerism is a characteristic structural isomerism which is explained in non-terminal functional groups. Okay. Then functional isomerism. The kind of structural isomerism which is due to the change in the nature of functional group. Nature of the functional group is changed. Due to this, it is also called linkage isomerism. The kind of structural isomerism which is due to the change in the nature of the functional group. Focus point: change in the nature of the functional group. Okay. Molecular formula. Molecular formula. Functional isomers. Molecular formula and functional isomers. Molecular formula CnH2n. Functional isomer alkene, cycloalkane. Alkene and cycloalkane are the examples of ring chain isomerism also, and they are also the examples of functional isomerism also, because functional group changes. It is saturated, it is unsaturated. It is unsaturated. CnH2n minus 2. Alkyne, cycloalkane. Alkyne, propyne, alkyne propyne, cycloalkene, cyclopropene, cyclopropene. Okay. CnH2n plus 2O. CnH2n plus 2O. Alcohol, ether. Alcohol and ether. Example: alcohol CH3CH2OH, ether CH3OCH3. Okay. CnH2n plus 3n. 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree amines. Primary, secondary, tertiary amines. Okay. For example, molecular formula C3H9n. H9n. Then primary amine. Primary amine means presence of NH2 group. Presence of NH2 group. From 3 carbon, it may be N-propyl primary amine, or it may be isopropyl primary amine. Secondary amine, presence of NH group, methyl and ethyl. Methyl ethyl amine. Tertiary amine, presence of N bond. Tertiary amine. Methyl and methyl. Trimethyl amine is the tertiary amine. Methyl ethyl is the secondary amine. N-propyl amine and isopropyl amine are the primary amines. Okay. Then CnH2nO, aldehyde and ketone. Aldehyde CH3CH2CHO, ketone CH3COCH3. Terminal functional group aldehyde, non-terminal functional group ketone. CnH2nO2, carboxylic acid, ester. Carboxylic acid CH3COOH, ester HCOOCH3. It is acetic acid. It is methyl formate. Okay. Other examples: notebook, cyanide, isocyanide are also the functional functional isomers. Again, repetition. CnH2n, alkene and cycloalkane. Alkene is propene, cycloalkane is the cyclopropane. CnH2n minus 2, alkyne and cycloalkane. Propyne, cyclopropene. CnH2n plus 2O, alcohol, ether. If alcohol is ethyl alcohol, by using two carbon atoms, ether is CH3O, CH3. CnH2n plus 3N, primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine. Let's consider C3H9N. Then primary amine, N-propylamine, that is CH3CH2CH2NH2. Or isopropylamine, CH3CH, CH3 bond, it is the iso group, NH2, isopropylamine, primary amine. Secondary amine, NH is the functional group, methyl and ethyl, methyl ethyl amine. Tertiary amine, N bond bond bond. In these three bonds we can substitute methyl, methyl and methyl. Hence the naming is trimethyl amine, which is a tertiary amine. CnH2NO, aldehyde and ketone, propanaldehyde, propanone or acetone. CnH2nO2, carboxylic acid and ester, acetic acid, methyl formate. Cyanide, isocyanide are also the examples of functional isomers. Then tautomerism or cryptomerism. Tautomerism or cryptomerism, the kind of structural isomerism in which functional isomers are in dynamic equilibrium, is called tautomerism. Example: hydrogen cyanide, hydrogen isocyanide. Dynamic equilibrium because rate of forward reaction is equal to rate of backward reaction. Hydrogen cyanide can be converted into hydrogen isocyanide. Hydrogen isocyanide can also be converted into hydrogen cyanide. Okay. Another example: ketoenol tautomerism. Okay. CH3 C double bond O CH3. It is ketone. Tautomer with CH2 double bond C OH CH3. It is formed due to the migration of alpha hydrogen. Alpha hydrogen means the carbon atom which is directly attached to the functional group is called alpha carbon, and the hydrogen atoms attached to the alpha carbon are called alpha hydrogen atoms. migration of alpha hydrogen to more electronegative atom explains tautomerism. Explains tautomerism. CH3 C double bond OH aldehyde. It is called ketoenol tautomerism or aldoenol tautomerism. When it is aldoenol tautomerism, in between aldehyde and enol. When it is ketoenol tautomerism, it is explained in between keto and enol. In means C double bond C. All means OH. All means OH. Okay. Migration of alpha hydrogen, CH2 double bond C OH H. It is acetaldehyde, and it is vinyl alcohol. Vinyl alcohol. Okay. Ketoenol tautomerism is also called aldoenol tautomerism. Aldoenol means aldehyde and enol. Ketoenol means ketone and enol. Enol. Tautomerism. Tautomerism may be of first diode system. Diode system, that is 1-2 migration of H plus. 1-2 migration of H plus. 1-2 means position, not position 1-2. 1-2 means adjacent migration. Adjacent migration. HCN and HNC. Here hydrogen is attached to carbon, and this hydrogen is migrated to nitrogen to form the tautomer. Similarly, it is 1, it is 2, called adjacent migration or 1-2 migration. 1-2 migration. In diode system, in organic chemistry, there is only one example, that is hydrogen cyanide and hydrogen isocyanide. Common type, triad system. Triad system, that is 1-3 migration of proton, that is 1-3 migration is called conjugate migration. Conjugate migration of H plus. Conjugate migration of H plus. Triad system, that is 1-3 migration of H plus, that is conjugate migration of H plus. Okay. Example, it is common one in organic chemistry. CH2 double bond COH H. Alpha hydrogen is migrated. It is 1 position, it is 2 position, it is 3 position. Hydrogen is not migrated to adjacent position like this, but it is migrated to 3 position, which is in which more electronegative atom is there. 1, 2, 3 migration. Similarly, 1, 2, 3 migration. H plus is migrated to this carbon to result this compound. H plus is migrated to this oxygen atom to result this compound. 1-3 migration of H plus. Notebook for triad system. For triad system. Okay. Alpha hydrogen atom must be there. Other systems, C double bond C, C double bond N, like double bonded systems with more electronegative atoms. Alpha hydrogen atom must be there to explain triad system. Alpha hydrogen must be there, and functional groups which must have double bonded system with more electronegative atom. For example, C double bond O, C double bond N, etc. Okay. Another example. CH3N double bond O, coordinate bond O, CH2 double bond N, OH, coordinate bond O. Coordinate bond O. Nitro is the functional group. Nitro is the functional group. Alpha carbon having alpha hydrogen. Alpha hydrogen is migrated to the oxygen atom to become a OH group, and pi bond is migrated to maintain the balance conditions. Functional group alpha carbon must have alpha hydrogen and multiple bond with more electronegative atom, particularly double bond, and double bond O system is there. Another example. Remember, CH3 C triple bond N, CH3 N triple bond C, functional group, alpha carbon. They have also alpha hydrogen atoms. But there is no migration in alpha hydrogen atom in the form of H plus. Hence they are functional isomers, but not tautomers. Another example. HCN, HNC. It is a tautomeric pair from dyad system of tautomerism. They are tautomers and functional isomers, because there is migration in the H plus, which is a example of adjacent migration, and there is also change in the functional group. Hence they are tautomers and functional isomers. Hope you are enjoying this video session. Take care. Thank you.